Have you ever found yourself lost in a maze of Flutter code, desperately trying to navigate through the complex structure of your Flutter app? Well, you're not alone. Today, we embark on a thrilling adventure through the heart of Flutter Navigation, unraveling its mysteries and equipping you with the knowledge to steer through the coding labyrinth. Alright, fellow Flutter enthusiasts, in today's video we are going to learn how to navigate through the screens. And how to pass the data between different screens. Let's dive into the code and start demystifying the world of Flutter Navigation. I've got my trusty code editor open, and we're about to embark on this coding adventure together. And one more thing guys, subs from you to this channel is highly appreciated. And you can support this channel on Patreon. First things first, let's set up our navigation foundation. In Flutter, the Material App widget serves as the root of our app, providing essential configurations. Now, watch closely as I type out the code. Here I'm creating my homepage class as a stateless widget, and now from here remove this container, and here add a center widget, then inside it add a elevated button. Now for elevated button, here give a text widget for child, and inside it pass the text as, go to next screen. Now give this button a on pressed callback. Now, let's talk about the Navigator widget. The Navigator widget manages a stack of pages, allowing us to navigate between them. Let me show you how we can implement a simple navigation setup. So, inside this on pressed callback, make use of navigator.push method, which will push a new page onto the stack. So in this case we want to go on second page, so here inside this push method, first pass the current context, then pass the root of second screen. So for passing the root here pass the material page root, and this page root needs a builder, so pass the builder and then the screen on which you want to navigate. In our case we want to navigate to second screen, so here I'm passing that. Now let's quickly create our second screen. So here I'm creating my second screen, and for its build method, add center widget and a text widget. So that was it for the simple navigation. Now just save the code and run the application. Now when the app is installed then, press on this button and as you can see, we have successfully navigated to the second screen. As of now it's looking a bit ugly, so wrap both the screens inside scaffold widget. Now again run the code. It's looking a bit nice than previous one. Now you maybe want to pass some data between these screens, like name, age, details, or anything else, so for doing that, now come on this page 2, and here create a local variable as string data, and then pass this variable on the page 2's constructor. Now come here on this build function, and then replace the string of this text widget with our data variable. Now come on this material page root thing, and here pass the any string data which you want to pass to the second screen. Here I'm tying, hello, from the first screen. So here I've created data variable for string, so I can only pass string data, but you can create any kind of variable. Now let's save the code and run the application. Now our app is installed, so press on this button, and as you can see, we have our message printed on the screen. So that was it for this tutorial. You can find the code and written tutorial link in the description and pinned comment. And if you like the video, then please subscribe to the channel, and like this video and share it with your fellow coders.